Cheers guys, how's it going? Quattrini M244. How to put the piston in, because usually they do have an error. This does not, and when you put it like this and also turn it around, even the transfer ports do not tell the secret how to put the piston in. With a standard piston, I'm gonna show that to you based on a Velocity Sport. Error has to go here towards exhaust port side and never a window toward exhaust. You can also see where the piston ring pins are. They are not allowed to be in ports, they have to be beside the ports. So they are, in this case of the Velocity, they are here in this area where we do not have port windows. So what to do with the quattrini, this one's for you Mike, by the way. We actually indeed do have to see where the ring pins are. The ring pins are top and here bottom, and we do know they shall not be where the exhaust port is, so they have to be on this side. And we will see that they are also, of course, between the ports. They are here. So the answer is, you put it in like that. That's the right way to do it. And the other trick is, that is an MP for Meteor piston. This Meteor piston sign towards boost port. On the other side is quattrini, so quattrini goes to the exhaust port side. That's it. How does it look from the top? They sit here. The pins, the other side of the exhaust port, that's how you mount the M244 quattrini piston or the MP towards boost port side. Cheers guys, see ya. Piston pin circlip. Velocity old. They do have a C-clip, and I want to show you how easy they are settable and how you do it. A C-clip always has a small pocket where you can take it out, as you just saw. Velocity old piston, C-clip, state of the art for strong engines, so also the Velocity provides it. How do you put the C-clip in? The opening to the top, or to the bottom, to the top, and it has to sit tight in the groove as it acts like a spring and it shall not move. How do you put it in? You can hook it in with one side here, then you take a screwdriver and you just clip it in like this. Tack, ensure that it clicks and sits in the groove. I'm going to show you that it does not move. Now the opening is at the bottom, as you can see here, and look, it does not move at all. And this is old piston, old groove, old circlip. Do not save any cents, they do not cost any money. Always get new ones if you take a piston out. And how to take it out again, you just do this. Clack, and it's out.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest! Sorry, ja. Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?